If you need to cut out some parts of your recorded audio in a corpus, you can do so with Praat. If you also have text grids in there, but we're not done yet with files. So editor window, scroll down while you have your parts selected.
It shouldn't be that complicated to carry out simple edits in a speech corpus. And luckily, with DatabaseExplorer, it isn't. Learn how to inspect, edit, and save your files, all with just some simple clicks of your mouse. Often, speech researchers need to handle a large number of audio files. And although most steps in your research plan can be fully automated, sometimes there is no sleek and efficient option other than to manually check your files one by one. With DatabaseExplorer, it is easy to look through a folder of audio files, cut your desired part, and save it to a new location. DatabaseExplorer is a Praat plugin, meaning you must have Praat already installed on your computer to use it. If this is not the case, as always, check out the official website of Praat, where you will find all the information you need. The link is in the description. Installing the tool is simple. Just go to our GitHub website, locate the DatabaseExplorer folder, and click on Download as zip. Once downloaded and extracted, you'll notice that there are two scripts in the folder. If you'd like to add a button to your Praat objects window to open DatabaseExplorer more comfortably, you can open the installation script and run it. This will create a copy of the DatabaseExplorer script in your Praat preferences directory and add a button to your dynamic objects window, meaning you will only see the button once you select a sound in the objects window. If you don't wish to install the button, you can simply open DatabaseExplorer by running the script called DatabaseExplorer manually. To start DatabaseExplorer, you need to first load one of the audio files in the folder you'd like to look through into your Praat objects window. Then, select the file and open DatabaseExplorer. This will open a window showing you the waveform and spectrogram of the currently selected sound in your folder. On the left side of the screen, you can see a list of the other audio files in the folder and how many files come before and after the selected file. On the right side of your screen, there is a legend showing you how to use the plugin. Let's go through the functions one by one. The first 3 lines tell you how to select a portion of the sound and cut away the rest. Simply click into the waveform at the point you want your new file to begin. Click once more where you want the file to end. If you missed, just click a third time and both selections are removed. Next up, when you press the spacebar, the plugin will save the audio with the changes you made to your write directory. You can choose a write directory by pressing the W key. This will open a Finder window in which you can choose the location your files should be saved to. Press the D key to delete a file already saved in your write directory. The next 5 lines tell you how to move through the files in your folder. You can use the left and right arrow keys to move one file up or down. Pressing the spacebar will also move you one forward. However, it will also always save the file to your right directory. If you want to make bigger jumps, you can use the up and down arrow to jump 3 files up and down in your folder. If that's too fancy for you, or if your folder contains many files, you can press the G key and manually type in the file number you want to jump to. Press the P key to listen to the currently selected sound. Die Frau des Apothekers weiß immer, was sie will.
With the plus and minus keys, you can increase and decrease the filter bandwidth of your spectrogram. This can be useful when you're looking for specific formants in your sound. If you have a text grid file, then it can be displayed by pressing the T key. This is a toggle, meaning by pressing T again, the text grid disappears. Note that the text grid and audio file must have identical file names for this feature to work. By pressing the S key, you can display the settings window. It lets you choose whether instead of saving your modified files, it should save the originals. If you select this option, the modifications you made will show up in an interval tier saved in a text grid file together with your sound. If you do this while you have the text grid selected, DatabaseExplorer will simply combine your text grid with the new modifications, losing no data. You can also either turn on or off the function to move on with the spacebar. This way, when you save a file, you will have to manually move on with the arrow keys afterwards. Additionally, it is possible to change the frequency ceiling of the displayed spectrogram. This is especially helpful when audio has information in frequency bands above the default 8000 Hz. Finally, when you're done, pat yourself on the back and press the Q key to exit the application. Well done. That's it for this video. I hope you learned something and that you had fun. If you think we missed something or want to write us, go to our website where you will find all the information on who we are, what we do, and how to get in touch with us. This was Clemens from the LiRI Resource Hub. Keep on exploring, and I hope you have a great day.